Welcome today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Evo Plus, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So we can do it by two ways. The first is you should just hold for a while your screen with the pen or Samsung pen or with your finger, that doesn't matter, or by this way. And now just swipe your home screen to the right side, and here you will see the switcher. Just to turn off the Google Fit, you should tap once on the switcher to turn it off. Now just we'll go back, and as can you see, we just can't open anymore the Google Fit. And if you wanna just turn it on, just by the same way, go here to the settings, click here on the switcher to turn it on, and as can you see, that's just so easy. And also we got the second way how we can do that. You just hold for a while your screen. Here we got the settings icon, just tap there, and here you can see the add media page to home screen. Click there. Just to turn off the Google Fit, tap once on the switcher, and now as can you see, we just turn off, we just disable the Google Fit, and by the same way we just can turn it on just by click once again on the switcher, and as can you see, the Google Fit is activated again. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.